Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today's topic is public health dentistry. Today we are talking about the health. Now you can see the current scenario. Everyone is trying to boost their immunity to cope up with the situations. So health is wealth. Reaching the unreached. We are what we eat. The local food in our kitchen is the most important food which will keep you happy and healthy. Food is the most singularly important product in overall health. The food we eat literally becomes who we are, and it influences our physical, mental and even the emotional well-beings. Food has always been the talk of the town during this pandemic. Why should it be any different in 2021? To increase an immunity, we all noticed during this corona lockdown, healthy food has been one persistent change that most of us have been trying to incorporate in their living. Medicinal use of turmeric is well known in Asian countries, but people in Western countries have incorporated turmeric, that is haldi, in their food as well. Food seems incomplete without the warm yellowness of turmeric in it. Turmeric is good and beneficial for our brain, skin, muscles, blood circulation, stomach problems, cold, flu. It also cleans our liver. And it is the time that turmeric gained the much deserved popularity. Haldi doodh is now widely known as golden milk and turmeric latte and is recognized as an amazing healthy drink. Haldi helps to reduce inflammation, helps to relieve arthritic pain, helps to heal stomach ulcers, helps to enhance respiratory health, strengthen the ligaments, it's great for skin, helps wound heal faster, it helps to improve the brain functions, reduce the cholesterol, help combat the depression. Ghee is the most potent antioxidant on earth. The reason why there are such combo as dal chawal ghee, roti shakkar ghee, puranpoli ghee, modak ghee, etc. in our culture is that ghee reduces the glycemic index of the meal. The addition of any fat to food reduces its glycemic index, and ghee is brilliant in this regard. Ghee is not only the world's most high functioning fat but also the wonderful partner to other food, complementing them to work better for us. Cow ghee promotes digestion, protects arthritis, increases bone density, improves immunity, improves the eye health, improves the bone development, helps balance weight, produce nourishment, promotes healthy pregnancy and healing of wounds. Coconut. Our obsession with our healthy usually manifests itself in our tendency to scrutinize everything about our bodies from our sleep pattern to our blood sugars. It gives the body endless physical stamina and the mind sense of calm and reason. It is the effect of a magical group of essential fatty acids called medium chain triglyceride or MCT, a fat similar to what's found in mother's milk. That is why MCT are also the preferred ergogenic aid, that is nutritional supplement of endurance athletes, runners, cyclists alike. MCT also have a role to play in myelination, that is the forming of the myelin sheath around the nerves. Coconut regulates thyroid function, improves brain function, maintains body mass, stimulates immunity, keep heart healthy, improves digestion, full of energy, glowing skin, rich in fiber, tree of life. Banana. Banana is packed with all the nutrients you need for a quick recharge. You have probably seen tennis players munch on the fruit in between sets and win the games. Contains potassium, ensures that blood pressure does not rise. It contains vitamin B6, is a metabolism enhancer and prevents brain fatigue from setting in. The fiber and low glycemic index of the banana ensures that blood sugar rises in a slow, steady rate. The banana is simply the best snack you can have for yourself any time of the day. The ultimate accessory in handbag. It is the nature's own stomach soother. From diarrhea to constipation to irritable bowel syndrome to everything in between, the fruit works at improving your gut health. It strengthens the bone. The mineral, electrolytes and fiber help not just the bone mineral density but can positively reduce menstrual cramps, beat the blues, nursing a broken heart or being backstabbed by a colleague. Chew on a banana. The vitamin B6 and magnesium will help you find it in your heart to forgive them and move on. Now the cashew. Almonds, walnut are great for heart. However, the kaju apparently causes cholesterol and is fattening, rich in vitamin B6 and folate. Basically, if you are losing sleep at night and spend the day feeling anxious and dead tired, this is the nut that you need to crack. Its amino acid profile, mineral, and vitamin could well be the inspiration behind the stay calm and get on line of posters. The amino acid helps, among other things, in the production of serotonin, the natural sleeping pill, whose only side effect is stable, happy mood the next day. In short, cashew prevent heart disease, works as a cancer chemo preventive agent, prevents gallstones, reduce the risk of anemia, promotes the development of RBC cells, reduce the risk of diabetes, boost bone and oral health, boost the immune system. Drumstick. Drumsticks are a popular addition in South Indian dishes such as sambar and avial. But did you know that these fibrous vegetables come from tree of life? Yes, the leaves and the fruit of this tree are used for several medicinal purposes and both are power packed with nutrients. Drumsticks themselves are a rich source of potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, vitamin A, C, D, essential amino acids, fiber, and antioxidants such as beta carotene and flavonoids. Not just that, moringa leaves are also fiber rich and play an important role in reducing blood cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Makhana or popped lotus flower seeds are alternative to popular snacks and like popcorn. Not only makhana healthy, but it is also a good source of proteins, carbohydrate, fiber, magnesium, potassium, iron and zinc. Magnesium content in them makes them very useful for people suffering from heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes and obesity. Makhana also contains a natural flavonoids called camphorol that acts as an anti-aging agent and helps prevent inflammation in the body. Now the conclusion. The conclusion is superfood is compassionate and wise and are often forgotten. Incorporate this ingredient back to your life. May the person who cooks, the one who eats and the one who provides the food, may all be happy. And just like that, the peace will return to the world, at least to your own world. Stay fit, stay healthy, take care of your teeth. Thanks. Bye-bye.